answering your questions in the Gardening of the Fraser Valley Facebook group. Gardenia blooms drying up too quickly after they open. They actually appreciate a little break from that hot afternoon sun. So if you can put them in a parts shade position, they will thrive, and your blooms will last a lot longer when they're not cooking in the sun. Now this poppy question probably already has a lot of answers, but I wouldn't dig up the plant at all. Poppies really have a hard time getting transplanted. Seeds. Wait until the seed pods dry so that you can hear them rattle, and then sprinkle your seeds in fall and they will come up again this next year. This next one looks like a Hydrangea Macrophylla. Those bloom on last year's wood. So if you're pruning it down to maintain that wonderful compact shape, you are pruning off the flower buds. So let it grow long. It's going to be a little bit bigger. You can take out 1/3 of the branches right back to the base so you can see through your plant a little bit and it's a lot more open, but that's one way to preserve your blooms. Everyone likes your basil as much as you do. Slugs, snails, weevils, who else? Cutworms. I've even had crows peck mine out. Everyone loves basil.